Lake Havasu City, Arizona is a wonderful escape from the cold winters of the northern states and Canada. It is a lovely city right on Arizona's west coast on the shores of Lake Havasu. The heart of Lake Havasu City is the Bridgewater Channel and London Bridge area. This scenic man-made channel is surrounded by sandy beaches, fun restaurants, and beautiful parks. It is a favorite spot for socializing or relaxing as you watch the boats float by. If you're in Lake Havasu at the end of January or first part of February, you might be able to see the miniature boat races.
Boaters, start your engines.
This annual event is one of the largest remote control boat races in the country, with speeds of 60 to 90 miles per hour.
4, 3, 2.
The event is free, and the best area to watch from is on the island side of the channel. London Bridge is a landmark of Lake Havasu City and is the most visited built attraction in Arizona. London Bridge connects Lake Havasu City to the island. Site 6 is a popular free boat launch on the island. But back in 1942, the military built a dirt runway that was used for training pilots and air crews during World War II. It is a beautiful spot to fish off the pier or just relax and enjoy the sunshine.
I'm not missing the snow. I'd rather look at this than the snow any day.
I agree. It's nice to be out of the snow. It's about, what, 70 degrees and sunny?
It's not cold. Let me put it that way.
Very nice. Very, very nice.
Part of the island is residential, and there are a couple of resorts and a large campground. But thankfully, some of it has been left open for everyone to explore.
There's a little lagoon, the duck in it.
Lake Havasu is dotted with 28 lighthouse replicas from across the United States, and you can find some of them here on the island. One of our personal favorites is the replica of Split Rock Lighthouse from Lake Superior in Minnesota. The Island Trail is a paved 3.6-mile loop around the interior of the island.
So this is a footpath that walks around the island at Lake Havasu. You can see Lake Havasu there in the distance and the mountain range. Across the way is California. Havasu Landing Casino's over there. There's the city of Lake Havasu. It's kind of cool how it just kind of goes up the mountain.
A little ways to the north of Lake Havasu City, you can find a beautiful little cove called Castle Rock Bay. This area is part of the Havasu National Wildlife Refuge. There is a short, flat gravel trail from the parking area that leads past picturesque Castle Rock. It's a beautiful, quiet spot for non-motorized watercraft where you can paddle about in the calm waters. It's also a great spot for bird watching.
So there are some cool looking sand dunes out here by Castle Rock.
There's some trails that way too.
Yep, a lot of trails too.
If you love state parks, there are 3 right in the Lake Havasu area. Lake Havasu State Park is right in the town of Lake Havasu City. The park has a campground with 54 sites, as well as cute camper cabins. There is a nice beach and a picnic area, as well as 4 boat ramps. We enjoyed hiking on the Mojave Sunset Trail with gorgeous views of the lake. Just 16 miles south of Lake Havasu City is beautiful Cattail Cove State Park. The park has a campground with 61 sites, as well as ports for houseboats. There's a nice boat ramp, swimming beach, and picnic area. We really enjoyed hiking here on Whitey's Trail along the shores of Lake Havasu. "27 miles south of Lake Havasu City on a beautiful bend of the Colorado River is Buckskin Mountain State Park. We really enjoyed our hike at this state park on the Buckskin Loop Trail. The park has a campground with 80 sites, as well as a beach, picnic area, and boat ramp.
Did I say there's no snow?
Yes, you said there's no snow. A bunch of times.
Mm-hmm.
We hope you enjoyed this visit to Lake Havasu City. Please be sure to check out our other videos, and thanks so much for watching.